In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Google Sheets pivot table. Whether you're new to pivot tables or just looking to refine your data analysis skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to customize and optimize your pivot table. To get started, you need to access the pivot table editor in Google Sheets. Begin by clicking any cell within the pivot table. This action should prompt a small pop-up to appear just below the table. In this pop-up, you'll see an Edit button that often looks like a pencil icon. Simply click it to open the editor side panel. However, if you don't see the Edit button right away, don't worry. All you need to do is right-click on the pivot table itself and select the Show Edit Control option. This will make the Edit button visible, allowing you to proceed. Now that you've accessed the editor, it's time to make some changes to your pivot table. You'll notice sections labeled Rows, Columns, Values, and Filters. To change, add, or remove fields, you can easily drag fields to and from these sections as needed. It's a straightforward way to adjust how your data is organized and displayed. Sometimes you might find that the data range used by your pivot table needs updating. This can be done in the editor by clicking on Select Data Range. This option allows you to manually adjust the source data range, ensuring your pivot table is always current and accurate. In the Values section, you'll find deeper customization options. Here, you can click on any field to modify the aggregation method. For example, if your data is currently summed up and you'd prefer an average, you can switch from sum to average with just a few clicks. Additionally, the Show As option provides more ways to display your data dynamically. Sorting your data is another powerful tool within the pivot table editor. In the rows or columns sections, you can set the sorting order to ascending or descending, tailoring how your information is organized for easy analysis. Filters allow for even greater precision. In the Filters section, you have the power to include or exclude specific items from your data. This is particularly useful when you want to focus on specific segments of your dataset or eliminate noise. And there you have it, a complete guide to editing your Google Sheets pivot table. Through these simple steps, you've learned how to access the editor, modify fields, adjust data ranges, change value calculations, and make use of sorting and filters. Remember, mastering these tools will significantly enhance your ability to interpret and utilize your data effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.